Hey guys, here is another collection of useful and cool gadgets, which will be useful for heart patients, and might be for mechanics as well. We also picked up some products which will make your room look cool, and a handy product which might ease the suffocating feeling of wearing a mask. You can find the links to these useful products in the description below. Here is a handy tool for mechanics, engineers, and other professionals who have to work with nuts and bolts. This is called 48-in-1 Tiger Wrench, which means it combines 48 different tools in one. Now you don't have to waste time looking for different sizes of spanners. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the right tool you need for the job. With its ease of use, it can reach all those difficult to reach nuts and bolts. Unlike ordinary tools, it can also tighten the bolts at 45 degrees. Tiger Wrench can not only handle the standard sized bolts, but also metric sizes just by flipping sides of the wrench. There are more features in this wrench. There is no chance for this wrench to slip on stripped and rounded corner bolts, thanks to its specially designed teeth, which place the bolt in place. And it is pretty durable, considering it can handle a torque of 300 pounds. Guess it is the only tool you need for handling the nuts and bolts in your next project. Making factory molds inside your house, giving reality to your ideas, this useful product is a form box. You can create factory-looking finishes without a factory, no matter if you're working by hand or using a 3D printer. Here's how it works. Let's suppose you don't want to have a soap with a usual design. You create a weird 3D design from your 3D printer, put it on the form box, and create a mold for your new design with the form box. Now you can pour in whatever the formula or solution for making your soap is, pour it in the recently created mold, and after some time, you'll have your very own weird soap design. I hope a lot of people can relate to this product by now. It is pretty useful in case you want to create some professional stuff inside home. It can create your own personalized packaging in case you're a small brand, or you can customize your home in your own way. Although it can work perfectly fine on its own with some basic shapes, the true potential of the device is unlocked by a 3D printer, where you can create endless designs. The device can help students, businessmen, architects, scientists, and engineers to create professional models, designs, and prototypes within minutes, without the extensive process of ordering the models from factories. Impressive. Bringing you the alien version of portable speaker for your room decor. You might like the one that looks like advanced alien technology, or might be this one which looks like a Mars war damaged version. It's not just the appearance, but the speaker provides crystal clear and distortion-free sound. Rich bass is produced across all genres of music, from pop to jazz and to rock. Powered by a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can support up to 20 hours of playtime without any disruption. The legs are easily foldable for transportation and storage, so you can take your tunes on the go anywhere you want. As for durability, the main body of the speaker is made with a high-quality zinc alloy sphere that allows sound waves to resonate within its space. And to ensure that you can have the color you like, the speaker comes in many basic colors. It would be an incredible addition to your room or PC setup. In case you are a mountain climber, skier, biker, runner, or have some cardiac problem, then you might find this product useful, which can accurately determine your blood oxygen saturation levels, pulse rate, and strength in 10 seconds, and display it conveniently on a large digital LED display. It is among the few medical products which can measure your blood levels efficiently, and it is pretty easy to use. You just need to turn it on, and put your finger inside it to get the device reading of your oxygen level. Since it is powered by two AAA-sized batteries, it won't run out of usage that quickly. Decorating, lighting, and helping you in many ways, it is the Smart Book Light. You see, it is quite an innovative design book, but it is not a usual book. It is a book lamp, which is quite elegant. Simply open it up for a nice and ambient light through the pages of the book. The book has magnets on its cover, so it can bend to a 360-degree angle. It can be used for a lot of purposes, like students can use it as a table lamp, or you can replace your bed lamp with this book. Book light can also add colors to your parties, and can be used as a decoration on walls. Once fully charged, it can last up to 8 to 10 hours. It is packed in beautiful packaging, so you can give it as a gift to someone, and contains the book, portable charger, and some other things to decorate the book. Moreover, it is available in different colors and sizes as well. This is a useful and easy-to-use 3-in-1 fruit slicer set. First off, the design is stackable and seems quite durable. Secondly, it can slice some common fruits, like apple, mango, pear, guava, and some simple veggies like tomato and onion. There are a total of 3 slicers, which have different slicing to do. From the structure of this slicer, it seems like it can slice more vegetables and fruits. It would be a simple and minimalist addition to your kitchen. If you think this was a little dull, then you are going to love this one. Dicing, slicing, and chopping most of your vegetables and fruits, this is an all-in-one vegetable slicer. This slicer contains 4 interchangeable blades for different cuttings, and the built-in chop lid lets you cut veggies directly into the 1.2-liter collection tray, without the mess of a knife and cutting board. Soft grip handle enhances leverage, while the non-skid base ensures stability during use. The blades are made of rust-resistant, heavy-duty stainless steel, to retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth cutting and grating. Storage container lets you hold prepared vegetables until you are ready to begin cooking. To clean this cutter, you can totally disassemble it into separate parts for thorough and easy cleaning. It is not just its features, but its attractive design as well that makes this device stand out. This slicer is going to make your task 2 times quicker and probably 3 times easier. This 7-piece set will surely become your favorite among all your kitchen tools. Alright, so how many of you have actually played with Lego blocks and stuff? If you have experience of building Lego blocks, then you might know how much fun they are. Well, even if you've never had experience with Lego bricks, you're going to enjoy this Mercedes-Benz truck from Lego. Although, it is a best fit for 11 to 16 kids. But even an adult can have a great time with Lego Technic, considering it is the largest Lego Technic model ever produced. It may seem like a simple toy, but it can perform all the functions of a real Mercedes-Benz, including operating the crane arm mechanism, opening and closing the grabber, extending the outriggers, or raising and lowering the tipper body. The set includes a large motor and new advanced pneumatic system. There is no doubt that the engineering and mechanics of this truck are well thought out. You must also be prepared for assembling 2,793 pieces for making the whole project. And that's a lot of time, rather a lot of fun time. No doubt, it will make a great gift for your kids or a technical friend. It's not only you, it seems like everyone is tired of the suffocating feeling of wearing the mask. Don't you worry anymore, here is a small solution called Cool Turtle. Since no one likes that hot, humid pressure under their mask that can lead to skin irritation, it is a mask support frame that can fit perfectly under your mask. After inserting, it immediately reduces mask friction that allows you to breathe and take in a comfortable environment. This is a fact we can all agree that regular face masks are not makeup friendly. But this mask frame acts like a lipstick guard for a face mask, lifting the fabric away from your lips so there's no sticking, smearing, or removal of your lip product. This mask frame is designed to fit over the tip of your nose and rest comfortably just below your lower lip. The flexible plastic mask insert molds comfortably to your face for easy all-day wear. Adding a little more usability to the product is the feature that it can be washed and used again and again. The mask frame might be a little relieving for people working in crowded spaces, or who don't have the privilege to remove masks for relaxing, like cops, doctors, or salesmen. And you know what the crazy part is? It comes with a 5 years money-back guarantee. That's unusual. Alright, so you might have seen it before. This is a magnetic charger. Now you can charge your phone by just bringing it closer to the charging cable. The magnetic force is so strong that you can even pull up the phone by cable. This is not all to this phone charger. This USB magnetic charging cable can be rotated 360 and 180 degrees, from straight charging to right-angled shape, to make charging more convenient while you are using your device. The charger is pretty universal, as it is compatible with multiple devices, including Type-C devices, micro USB, and iOS devices. Although you can charge your phone with a regular charger, this one will be useful to gamers who like to play while charging their phone at the same time. Plus, it looks cool. Have you ever thought about building an indoor garden? You should, because it is easier than you might think with this device. This germination kit is designed with a water pump circulation system in which plants grow faster than soil. Weather can be controlled completely all year long, no mess, no limits. The device contains a small lid on a side where you can pour water, and a lot of cups, where you will be able to put your seeds for plantation. The whole gardening system comes with a fan on the light panel, which helps to promote airflow and increase the success rate of pollination. The pump and fan turns on or off automatically, and has super low noise. High-performance grow lights simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting plants' photosynthesis in any weather. You can switch between different lights, depending on the type of plant you're growing. You can even adjust the height of lights as the plant's height increases. Overall, this setup is a great addition to any house.